To get a high score in the OET speaking test, you need to fulfill the criteria. So say these phrases in the exam and get a high score. Hi, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses, the world's leading medical English provider. Make sure you stay to the end of the video because we've got a free handout for you. Let's go. First of all, let's review what you need to do in the OET speaking test. You will perform 2 role plays with a patient or carer, and you'll need to ask questions, provide information, use appropriate language, and demonstrate effective clinical communication skills. Here are some of the phrases you should use. It's understandable you are worried. Demonstrating empathy is important in the OET speaking. You can use the phrase, it's understandable you are, and the adjective. Other phrases you can use are, I understand you are concerned. I can see that you are anxious. That must have been very scary. Is there anything which concerns you about that? You need to explore the patient's concerns by specifically asking them. You can also say, do you have any concerns about that? Or, you seem a little anxious. Can you tell me what concerns you? If you notice a patient is concerned by the way that they speak or behave. Let me explain. Signposting and explanations signals to the listener a change in topic. Other phrases you could use are, I'd like to explain how to look after your wound at home, if that's okay. Now I'll explain what you can do to prevent flare-ups. Or if you are about to ask a series of questions, you could say, do you mind if I ask you a few questions first? Could you tell me about your symptoms? When gathering information, you should ask a general question first. Get the information from the patient's perspective. Could you tell me about is an appropriate, polite phrase to use. Other questions for finding out information could include, what brings you here today? Have you noticed any other symptoms? Have you vomited at all? And you should begin with open questions, moving on to closed questions if specific information is needed. What do you know about diabetes? Before explaining a medical condition, treatment, or procedure, you need to find out what the patient already knows. What do you know about? And the topic is a good phrase for this. Or you could say something like this. Do you know anything about asthma? Have you heard of a colonoscopy before? How do you feel about that? You need to encourage the patient to respond and contribute feelings throughout the role play by asking questions such as, how do you feel about, and the topic just discussed? Or depending on the context, you could use one of these phrases. How does that sound? Is that all right? Do you think you can manage that? Before we continue, why not check out our OET course for nursing and medicine, packed full of speaking tips and useful phrases to help you pass the OET exam. Link below. There are some phrases which are not appropriate for OET speaking. Let's take a look. Don't say, so you have an unhealthy diet, am I right? This is a leading question. Instead say, could you tell me a bit about your diet? Don't say, can you tell me about your diet and if you have a family history of heart disease? Instead say, could you tell me about your diet? Wait for the response. Okay, thank you. And do you know if there's a family history of heart disease? Don't say, do you get me? It's not an appropriate phrase to use. Instead say, do you have any questions about that? Don't say, we will administer some analgesia and observe the severity of the laceration. This includes technical jargon, which the patient might not understand. Instead, use layperson's terms, such as, we'll give you some pain relief and take a closer look at the wound. Okay, imagine you've just explained the treatment the patient is going to undergo. But the patient says, I'm not so sure. What would you say to them? 1, you seem a little anxious. Could you tell me what's bothering you? Or 2, let me explain a little bit more about the procedure. Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, why not check out our other video on giving advice? Click here. And thank you for staying to the end of the video. We've got a free handout for you. Simply look for the pinned comment below to access the handout. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! In order to get a high score in OET speaking, you need to make... Okay, I'd like to imagine that you've just given some treatment options.